Right now I've got dirt and I got seeds, and we're gonna make sure the two meet up here right quick like. Welcome back everybody, good morning. And we're at the garden. It's early, we've got a full day planned here, and we need to get making some beds out here. Once we get that tilled up, then we're gonna start making our new beds that go all the way across here. Look at that. Candace got me a new BCS. Nah, I'm just joking, guys. That's a poor man's BCS right there. That's called a roto hoe. And it was kind of about the same idea, except for it's about, probably about 40 years older. But I tell you what, that little Predator motor on there, she does an awesome job. So we're gonna fire this baby up, get her in the garden, and start tilling. With all that compost right there, I got 2 yards there. I'm getting ready to go get some more. I've got about 3 yards over here of stuff that we've composted this year, and I wasn't gonna haul all that this year with the ice sled. We got ourselves one of these 7 cubic foot gorilla carts. This is the maiden voyage of the cart. So I am actually gonna start making our beds. So I believe we are going to make 3-foot wide beds, and we're actually going to have a bigger walkway than most people would have. It's not going to be your typical market garden 18-inch walkway. We have enough room where we can get our new cart down it, and we can comfortably get between the rows. We've actually opened this thing up. You know, we're over double now from what we used to be, so I think we'll have plenty of room to make some nice walkways. And if we want to change it up at any point, we can. That's the nice thing. I'm gonna get to making some beds. All right, I think I figured this out finally. I made beds. I got a bed here, you can see. We got a bed here, and I'm starting one right here. I'm leaving a 4-foot walkway all the way down this fence here, and a 4-foot all the way around the entire garden. What I've done is I have a 4-foot walkway. I know you can't tell because my old raised beds are still sitting here, but I've got a 4-foot walkway. I've got a 3-foot raised bed. I got a 2-foot walkway. I have a 3-foot raised bed. And I have a 3-foot walkway, and then go back to another 3-foot bed. So the reasoning behind that is I didn't want to put 3-foot walkways in between each bed. So what I did was I shortened this one up so we can just walk down it. So I can actually put my cart over on this side. We can walk down this one, and then we can also get the cart up the middle here with this one. So I think we're gonna go every 2. We'll make a larger walkway for the cart to get up and down. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna finish up this bed right here, I believe, and kind of show you guys how I'm doing it. that's the idea here. We're just kind of getting it roughed in right now. That's all I'm doing. And that's where we got our compost. I'm gonna take compost on top of this, spread it out real nice, and then cover it with our fabric. That's about it. Just have to repeat that about 20 more times over here and we'll be done. Just finished with the last bed for today. I've got a total of 8 beds made right now, and I've got 5 full-length beds, and I got 3 shorties over here. And let me show you what I'm going to do. I think I've already explained this, but I'm going to show you one last time real quick. I've got these planters here, these raised beds, and once these flowers come up, I'll know where they are. I'm going to dig them up and transplant them. But for now, I'm just leaving them be. I don't want to kill any of those perennials before they come up. So I got 2 short beds here and 1 short bed over here. This will become a full-length bed eventually. I'm gonna stop making beds for today, and I'm gonna start doing some planting. I'm gonna get a cart full of the compost here. I'm gonna spread on that first bed, and that, I think I'm gonna put my carrots right there. Let's get to composting. Okay, so I got our bed prepped here, and I'm only doing about half of the short bed even, because that's a lot of carrots, I think. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do 2 different varieties. I have Danvers carrots and Mokum. I've got the Danvers from True Leaf. I think it was Sustainable Seed Company. It's True Leaf owns them now, I believe. And then I got the Mokums. I got the Mokum from Johnny's, as you can see. I don't have a cedar. I don't have a Earthway cedar or a Jang cedar or any of that cool stuff yet. Right now I've got dirt and I got seeds, and we're gonna make sure the 2 meet up here right quick like. Okay guys, so for my reference, I drew 2 lines in the sand. And up front, I'm gonna have the Mokums up front here and the Danvers behind. I'm just gonna sprinkle these best I can here. Trying not to get them super close. Okay, we got our Mokums down, and I was just looking on the package of the Mokum, and it says 38 days for baby carrots and 54 days for full carrots. So we should be eating carrots by right about 4th of July. So we'll see, huh? I got another surprise for you. I'm doing with this as well. I'm hoping it's gonna help. I don't know if it will. So let's get on to these Danvers here, hey? right, you like my carrot planting method? So I'm just gonna take my hand and just kind of work these in a little bit. Maybe bust up a couple more clumps over top. And that's it. Well, I lied. I got one more thing. I'm gonna go show you guys something here in just a second. Stay tuned. Hey, I was gonna say this before. I know everybody on YouTube quit saying, you know, to like and subscribe to their channel, but you know, if you guys enjoy any of this stuff that we do here at the farm, it really does help us out here. And I hate to beg for a like, or I'm not even asking for a subscription, but you know, it does help us kind of continue doing what we're doing here, and we do appreciate it. And I know we've got lots of faithful followers out there that do like what we're doing. And you know, a lot of this we do for ourselves. So a lot of times I go back to these videos from years past, and I see the good things I want to continue, and I want to see a few things I want to change here and there, and it really helps us out, especially with the you know, the way the world is nowadays, and everybody can't get together all the time. We kind of started doing this too to keep in touch with family and friends, and hopefully you guys learn a little something. Hopefully it brightens up your day. Like I said, we just we appreciate it, and we appreciate having you guys all here with us. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, what I wanted to show you was last year I got some Agribon, and I actually put it over the carrots, and they did pretty good. So this year I got these hoops. Actually, they're just metal metal rods right now, but I'm gonna put hoops up here, and then I'm gonna put the Agribon over it. And I think last year, guys, what I had a hard time with was birds. I think birds came in and ate the seed off the top. And I was out here earlier this morning, and there was birds all over top of these raised beds. So I want to cover this up so the birds don't eat all my seed. First things planted at Gagne Farms this year was carrots. There we go. It's a little bit of something. Just keep doing a little bit every day. We got lots more planting to do. Make sure to check it out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Whoa. I heard turkeys.